Ready to take your Minecraft experience from vanilla to unbelievably vibrant. First up, let's tackle the CurseForge Launcher, a super popular choice for its ease of use. Head over to CurseForge's website and download the launcher compatible with your operating system, then go ahead and launch the application. Once it's open, you'll find a Minecraft section. Click on Browse Modpacks. Here you can search for Modpacks by name, category, or even popularity. Find one that sparks your interest. Found one you like? Great! Simply click on the Modpacks icon and then hit that install button. CurseForge handles all the messy stuff, automatically downloading and installing all the necessary mods and dependencies. Once the installation is complete, the Modpack will appear in your Minecraft launcher. Select it from the drop-down menu, then click play, and get ready for a whole new Minecraft world. Now, let's look at MultiMC, favored by advanced users for its flexibility. Download and install MultiMC from its official website. Open MultiMC and click on Add Instance. You will be prompted to pick a version. I recommend picking the version that is required by the Modpack you want to install. Most Modpacks will require you to import the Modpack from a zip folder. Download the zip folder from the Modpack provider of your choice, then click the Import from Zip button. Remember, Modpacks can sometimes be resource intensive, so adjust your Minecraft settings accordingly. Crank up that allocated RAM for smoother gameplay with these launchers. You're now equipped to explore countless modded adventures, so dive in and discover your new favorite way to play Minecraft.